Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Review.
All right, guys, we are back. And you guessed it, we're back with my 2004 Toyota Camry. And today, we're going to be replacing the driver's side door handle. Why? This is why, guys. It's a little broken, as you guys could see. It's a little broken here, and we're having trouble getting out of the car. This is the way it sticks open, and sometimes I have to really jerk on it to get it to open. And I'm assuming eventually it's going to completely break and we're not going to be able to open the door from the inside, and that's not going to be a good thing. So we're going to go ahead and replace this today. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so you're going to come over here and you're going to take a pick or a trim tool, and we don't care if we break this, but basically you're going to pop out this cover here, and it's going to expose the fastener. Look how bad that is. It's just falling apart. We have our new one here, but there's only a slight problem. It's the wrong color. So we have a beige one. Yeah, guys, so as I was saying, we somehow accidentally ordered a beige one instead of a brown one. As you could see the difference in color, but it's no big deal. I'm not going to worry about returning it to get the right one. It'll just be a little off. This is my beater car, and I'm not too concerned with the cosmetics of it. As long as it runs and gets me from A to B, that's all I care about. So again, this is from we got this part from 1A Auto. It was about $16. 1A Auto is not a sponsor, but I really like getting some of my parts from there. They have pretty good quality parts at a decent price, and yeah, I have really had no issues with their parts before. I use them quite a bit, and I just like the website. So I'll go ahead and put a link to this in the description below, so you guys could check it out or order you guys one if you need to. So let's go ahead and continue taking this out. We're gonna have to take this whole door panel off in order to remove our old door handle and replace it with our new one. So let's keep going. So we went ahead and removed our door handle fastener, and then if you come over here, behind this tab is another Phillips head fastener. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Okay, so we got number 2 fastener out, and then we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna have a Phillips head here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. So once you guys take that fastener out, you should be able to pop this up, and then you're gonna have to disconnect your electrical connectors here and set this aside. And let's see if I could do it with one hand. I doubt it. Nope. So I'll go ahead and disconnect these, and I'll bring you guys right back. Okay, guys. So we got our 2 wiring harnesses disconnected. Now we're gonna move that off to the side. Now hopefully you can see we have 2 fasteners here at the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and take those off. All right, guys, so once you got those all taken off, you should just be able to pop out your door. So guys, I forgot to mention, there's one more fastener right here in this little metal piece. So you want to make sure you take that out before you completely yank out your door panel. So now that we got that out, the door panel comes right off. But you want to be careful because your cables for your doorknob are still intact. So as you guys can see, the door handle's just completely shot. Look at that. So let me see if I can bring you guys over here and see what we're gonna do. So, well, that's completely out, so we'll just take it out. So anyway, it's just the ball, and you're gonna pull it out. That's for your lock assembly. And then down here, it's another little ball that you're just gonna pop out. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the new handle, and I'll bring you guys back to check it out. So when you guys go to install the handle, you're gonna install it from the outside here. And this has kind of like a lip. This is gonna go in first. Push it all the way in, and then you're just gonna pop it in. I need 2 hands, so I'll bring you guys right back. Alright guys, so hopefully you can see that. So your white or grayish cable on top is going to connect to your lock. The ball goes right in, and then you're going to come over here and make sure this pops in the little slot, as you can see. And then your green one down here goes to your actual handle. The ball goes inside, the wire comes around just like you see here, and same thing, pop that into place. And then you want to check it. A lot better. It's a lot better. Check it, and it's good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back, and we'll bring you guys right back. Okay guys, so when you go to put your door panel back on, you want to make sure the top, there's like a little lip on top here, and it kind of just sets right in the window sill area, and it just sets in place like that. So we went ahead and anchored our main fastener here, and we just gave it some love taps around to make sure all the little plastic clips set in place. And now we're gonna go ahead and set our switches back on here, get them connected, and then we're gonna connect the fastener here as well as the fastener up here. We're gonna take this off. We should have actually probably taken that off before we put this in, but no big deal. We're gonna get our fastener there, and then our 2 at the bottom, and we're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. All right guys, so on this connector here, I'm not gonna take it out, but to get it in, it's a little tricky. So there's this white, once you have this out, you'll know what I'm talking about. There's this white piece on the outside of it that kind of slides back and forth. In order to get this connector back in, you gotta slide that connector, or that slide piece that's on the outside, all the way back. It's gonna go almost over the wires here on the front that go into the connector. It's gonna go that far back. Once you get it far enough back, this will slide in easy. So if you're forcing it, you're doing it wrong. There's this piece on the outside that slides all the way back, and then you can push it right in very easily, no problem. So let's continue to get this put back together. All right guys, so we got it all put back together, all the fasteners in, and you should probably do this before you put the fastener in for your controls here, but it's a simple one fastener, so it's no problem. So windows go up and down, mirrors move. So we have our controls. So now let's check it out. Locked our door. A lot better. Perfect, guys. Door locks, unlocks. There we go. Now we can get out of our car. Perfect. So there you go, guys. Quick little video on how to change your door handle, your interior door handle on your vehicle. The handles at 1A Auto, they come in beige, brown, and I think black. I'm not 100% sure, but I know they come in beige and brown. I know this is not the right color, but we're gonna leave it at that. It works fine for me, and that's all that it matters to me. So again, 1A Auto is not a sponsor. They're not sponsoring this video, and they did not provide this product. I bought this with my own money. I just like ordering stuff from 1A Auto. I feel like they have really good parts at a decent price, and they also have DIY videos on their products on how to install them as well. So I think that's pretty cool. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that make sure you hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.